Now let's talk about how to use button blocks. To insert a button block, click the plus icon when hovering over the edges of another block. Notice that the plus icon will vary in location depending on where you hover. This also tells me where the button block will drop into. Buttons are great for calls to action because they're more noticeable than a text link. You can then link the button just like you would for a text block. Remember, to style a button's font or color, you need to go to your site styles or style editor by clicking the paintbrush icon in the top right. Remember, this is just part of our 4-course series. You can find the full courses all linked up in the description box below. Let's put the art back into content marketing. I'll see you on the next video.